In Swift language, we have four basic arithmetic operators. It's multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, and on top of that, there is remainder operator. We use percentage symbol for remainder operator. And multiplication is obvious. We use this star symbol. 2 times 3 is 6. Division is a little bit weird. I will explain in a minute. Addition is obvious as well. 7 plus 1 is 8. And subtraction, 6 minus 2 is 4. This is obviously nothing strange. However, with division, there is some kind of exception, because if we use integers in division, we will get result as integer. Obviously, 14 divided by 5 is not 2, but because we use integers, we got result as integer. To get real result, we can modify a bit one of the numbers, and now 14.0 is float number, so we get float result. Or we could expect our result as float, and now again we get the right result. However, as such, this kind of division that we get integer, if we use integer, is quite useful because it's somehow related to a remainder operator. How we could use this specific division, specifically, in what way it's really useful? It could be useful if we use it together with remainder operator. How does remainder operator work? 14, let's say, divided by 5, if we use remainder operator, it tells us how many left after we placed this number here, it's 5, in 14. We can place 5 in 14 2 times only, because next 5 is 10, and if we would add next 5, we would get 15. We have 14 here. So remainder operator tells us how many left. In our case, we can place number 5 2 times in 14, and what will remain is 4, because between 10 and 14 there is 4. So this is remainder. If we use 13, it means that now we will get 3, because we can place number 5 2 times in 13, which gives 10, and 3 remains. This is very important because this is very useful. Let's say we have total number of seconds 175. If we would like to get number of minutes and seconds, we would need to use division operator and remainder operator. Minutes will be 175 divided by 60, because in minute we have 60 seconds, and seconds would be 175. Now we are looking for remainder. (175) divided by 60, if we use integers, will give us number of how many 60 seconds we can place in 175. It means how many minutes we can place in 175 seconds. We can place 60 2 times in 175, so we get 2 minutes. And how many seconds remains? The remainder we can get with remainder operator. 175 divided in the specific way by 60 is 55. So remainder operator gives us the number of seconds which left. This is very common way we can use this remainder operator, and this division, where if we use integers we get result as integer. So the fraction part is just cut off if we want to get result as integer.